In previous lecture we have seen the structure of cholesterol, and in this lecture we will continue the structural determination of cholesterol. This is the structure of cholesterol. The structural determination of cholesterol generally carried out into four parts. The part A, the structure of nucleus. Part B, the position of hydroxy group and carbon-carbon double bond. C, the side chain and position of the side chain in the cholesterol. And D, angular methyl group in cholesterol. One by one we will discuss part A, nucleus of the cholesterol. So this part consider as a nucleus of the cholesterol. So nucleus of the cholesterol, the molecular formula of cholesterol is C27H46O. The molecular formula of cholesterol is C27H46O. So in this formula one heteroatom is present. So we have to find out the nature of heteroatom, oxygen. So the cholesterol on acetylation in acetic anhydride, cholesterol on acetylation in acetic anhydride, the formation of monoacetyl derivative. So formation of monoacetyl derivative indicate that the nature of oxygen is alcoholic. The second nature of oxygen is alcoholic. The second part, in our structure one carbon-carbon double bond is present. So by bromination reaction, addition of Br2, the bromination reaction, addition of only two bromine atom and formation of dibromo derivative. So formation of dibromo derivative indicate that in our structure one carbon-carbon double bond is present. So highlight of this, the one alcoholic group, hydroxy. Second highlight, one carbon-carbon double bond. So the nature of heteroatom is alcoholic because formation of monoacetyl derivative, and addition of bromine, formation of dibromo derivative indicate that in our structure one carbon-carbon double bond is present. This cholesterol on reduction, cholesterol on reduction, the formation of hydroxy derivative of cholesterol. The molecular formula C27H48O. So this reduction indicate that the supporting information, presence of one carbon-carbon double bond. This C27H46O on oxidation, the oxidation, formation of ketone, the molecular formula C27H46O on oxidation, formation of ketone, molecular formula is C27H46O. This ketone on Clemmensen reduction, ZnHg in HCl, hydrochloric acid. This reaction condition is called as a Clemmensen reduction. The Clemmensen reduction, the molecular formula is C27 H48O, C27H48O. H48O. This C27H48O is called as colestane. CHOLESTAN. Colestane. Colestane is only hydrocarbon. Colestane is hydrocarbon. And this colestane general molecular formula is CnH2n-6. The general molecular formula of colestane is CnH2n-6, and the CnH2n-6 indicate that the structure is tetracyclic. The structure is tetracyclic, means in our structure 4 ring is present, because the colestane general molecular formula is CnH2n-6. All this reaction, first reduction related to carbon-carbon double bond, reduction related to carbon-carbon double bond, means in our structure carbon-carbon double bond is present. So reduction, the carbon-carbon double bond participate. The formation of C27H48O, 2 hydrogen added in molecular formula. So this compound on oxidation to give the ketone. Formation of ketone indicate that the nature of alcoholic hydroxy group is secondary alcoholic. The nature of alcohol is secondary alcoholic, because when primary alcohol CH3OH on oxidation to give aldehyde, when secondary alcohol CH3CHOH CH3, when secondary alcohol on similar oxidation reaction to give the ketone. So the C27H48 is colestanone. This ONE indicate colestanol. The colestanol means alcohol, OL means alcohol, and this C27H46O is called as a colestane. CHOLESTANE. Colestane. So colestanol converted into colestane means C27H48 is nothing but secondary alcoholic compound which participate in oxidation and to give the ketone. And this ketone on Clemmensen reduction, elimination of C double bond O converted into CH2. C double bond O converted into CH2, that is the condition of ZnHg in HCl. That reaction is called as a Clemmensen reduction reaction, in which carbonyl group converted into CH2. So carbonyl group converted into CH2 to give the hydrocarbon. That hydrocarbon is called as a colestane, CHOLESTANE, colestane. The molecular formula, general molecular formula of colestane is CnH2n-6, and that general molecular formula of colestane is related to tetracyclic ring system. So it indicates that our cholesterol is a tetracyclic ring system. The supporting information of this, when cholesterol heating with selenium at 360 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives diels hydrocarbon. The diels hydrocarbon nothing but a tetracyclic ring system. This is a dial's hydrocarbon. So for dial's hydrocarbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ring system. It means, so this formation of dial's hydrocarbon and cholesterol tetracyclic ring system, our in cholesterol A, B, C, D, 4 ring is present. 4 ring is present. The next part of this investigation, the nature or size of the ring A, B, C and D. So ring size, the next highlight, ring size. By observing our structure, ring A is 6 member, ring B and C also 6 member, but ring D is 5 member. We have to prove ring ABC is 6 member and ring D is a 5 member. So the highlight, ring size. Ring size. The ring size based upon Blanch's rule. This Blanch's rule say that when 1,5-dicarboxylic acid, when 1,5-dicarboxylic acid on pyrolysis, heating or pyrolysis to give 6-membered anhydride, 6-membered anhydride. It means that ring is 5 member. That ring is 5. According to Blanch's rule, when 1,5-dicarboxylic acid on pyrolysis to give the 6-membered anhydride, it indicates that ring is 5 member. That ring is 5 member. The another, when 1,6 or 1,7 dicarboxylic acid on same treatment, pyrolysis, on same treatment to give 5-membered ketone with loss of 5-membered ketone with loss of carbon atom or 5-membered ketone or 7-membered anhydride. 7-member anhydride indicate that 7-member anhydride indicate that ring is 6-member. 6-member ring. That ring is a 6-member. So according to Blanch's rule, when 1,5-dicarboxylic acid on pyrolysis or heating at particular temperature to give the 6-membered anhydride indicate that ring is a 5-member. That ring is a 5-member. Or 1,6 or 1,7-dicarboxylic acid on similar treatment, pyrolysis or heating, on similar treatment to give the 5-membered ketone with loss of carbon atom or 7-member anhydride is indicate that ring is a 6-member ring. That ring is a 6-member ring. Okay. So based upon this Blanch's rule, we have to find out the structures, the ring size A, B, C is 6-member and ring D is a 5-member. So the first reaction to find out the ring size A, ring size A is a 6-member. when cholesterol just I will write R here, R for side chain. When cholesterol first reduction and second oxidation, first reduction and second oxidation to give the ketonic compound. In reduction, the carbon-carbon double bond converted into carbon-carbon single bond, and oxidation, alcohol converted into ketone. This compound on further oxidation to give 1,6-dicarboxylic acid. 1,6-dicarboxylic acid, COOH, to give the 1,6-dicarboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 without loss of carbon atom. Molecular formula: carbon content C27, carbon C27, carbon C27, without loss of carbon atom, oxidation carried out. Without loss of carbon atom, oxidation carried. This on pyrolysis, 1,6-dicarboxylic acid, this on pyrolysis to give the 5-membered ketonic derivative. 5-membered ketonic derivative. Cyclopentanone, 5-member ketonic derivative, cyclopentanone. Formation of cyclopentanone indicate that ring A is 6-member according to Planck's rule. Formation of cyclopentanone is indicate that ring A is a 6-member ring based upon this reaction pathway. Ring B, cyclopentanone. So formation of cyclopentanone with loss of carbon atom, C26, with loss of carbon atom to give the cyclopentanone. They indicate that ring A is 6-member. Ring A is 6-member. Ring B, cholesterol on acetylation by using acetic anhydride, formation of acetate derivative, just for protection of hydroxy group, remaining part is as it is. Ring B, cholesterol on acetylation, the formation of cholesterol acetate ring, they related to ring B, This on oxidation by using chromium trioxide. Formation of alpha beta unsaturated ketonic derivative. Alpha beta unsaturated ketonic derivative. This alpha beta unsaturated ketonic derivative on reduction H2PDC. In H2PDC, this double bond converted into single bond. Reduction in H2PDC in acetic anhydride. OAC formation of ketonic derivative, and after that formation of ketonic derivative, which on further oxidation with SeO2, selenium dioxide, formation of 1,2-diketone derivative, formation of 1,2-diketone derivative. And this 1,2-diketone derivative on further oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide H2O2, oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide to give by using hydrogen peroxide H2O2 oxidation 1,6-dicarboxylic acid, 1,6-dicarboxylic acid, COOH. The remaining part is as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,6-dicarboxylic acid. This 1,6-dicarboxylic acid on pyrolysis, 1,6-dicarboxylic acid on pyrolysis to give cyclopentanone, to give the cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone 5-membered ketone. Formation of cyclopentanone is indicate that ring B is 6-membered. Ring B is 6-membered. The formation of cyclopentanone derivative, ring B is a 6-member ring.